So today I'll be showing you how to copy text from a physical document with your Galaxy phone. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is bring up the camera. So just go to the default camera app of your Samsung Galaxy phone and make sure you're in photo mode. And then when you put the physical document in the viewfinder, you will see this little T icon. And when that T is yellow or orange, it means it detects text. So all you have to do now is tap on that T and it's gonna try and read that text, and you can see it's already scanned that text. Okay, so now you can go and copy that text. You can select how much of it you want to copy. So I can select everything and then tap on copy, and that's gonna get copied to my clipboard. And then now I can go to a document or a message. Let's go to Samsung Notes, for instance, create a new document, and then I can paste that text here. Okay, so all that is text I've copied directly from this physical document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.